Okay, so let's do another lesson here. I think that I'm gonna look at the waste coming up from the basement level. So in the basement level, we have this sump, we have this pipe, and this is the so-called sump pit, right? So the pipe goes in the inlet and comes out. There's a vent that needs to be going on here too, but I'm not going to draw that out. So the vent comes up, and what we need to do, I want to connect this vertical that's coming up from the pump into this horizontal pipe, which is this pipe. But I want to connect it in here. So that means that what I need to do is extend this out because I need room for the fitting. Let's extend this out. Shift arrow key up, 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 up. Okay, that should be enough room. Okay, so I think the first thing we need to do is look at a section view. And we're gonna look here. I'll go just about in here. Okay, so click and then right click again, go to the view, and our pipe is here, and this is our main pipe. That's the pipe from the urinals. But so what we want to do is draw a pipe. Let's bring it down some. So it's about right in there. Let's go back and look at this view. I think that what we're gonna do is draw a pipe at 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Now let's look at this pipe. 45 degrees. Let's see what kind of pipes we have in our routing preferences. T reducing. That looks good. I think I can work with that. Either that or the sanitary. So let's go back. I think what I need to do is line up. Yeah, okay. So to do that, you type DL, which is our detail line. Get that guy here. Escape. Come back over. Hit it again. Now let's line up the pipe coming from, this is the sump pit pipe. Okay, so modify, let's align 1, 2. Okay, and it looks like it's back far enough to where I can get a good fitting. Looks like it's gonna fit in there, I hope. Let's see what happens. So let's extend one pipe to the other. Okay, that looks good. So now we can bring this pipe back down. That's arrow key back down. As a matter of fact, we can continue control down. Okay. So that's the pipe from the sump pit, and what we're gonna need to do is I think what I'm gonna do is do the vent system, and the vent system is going to be all of these, collect all of these and can go over here, and what we need to do is connect into this vent riser, but I think I'm gonna move it over to here. I wanted to come up in this wall, but I don't want it to do that. You know, let's look at that. So this section And this section is the same. So instead of coming up, let's do 20. I'm going to do 30. Let's do 50. Okay, 50. And go back to the second level. Do I have second level? Nope. First level. That's going to be good. So let's copy. Go back to first level. And copy. Okay. Okay, that's going up in the wall. And let's go back and get this guy. Delete, delete. First level, basement, waste. Oh, here. I think that I'm going to need section. I think it's here, right? -20. Okay. So we can go to basement level, and that's where our pipe is coming down. So I think that I can move it over. Which way? Let's move it to the right. Okay. Okay. Now, create similar. And it should be there. And this is going to be a T. T reducing vent. Okay. And I think that this is going to be an elbow. Go an elbow here. Is that a 2-inch? Let's back up. Shaw pipe here. That's a 1.5. 1 1/2 here. Okay. Here. That looks good. What I can do, I like to go to the section. Let's go here. That's the basement, right? Yeah. So fill it. Fill it. Okay. You go up and you go up, up, up. Basement first level here. Okay. So that's what we want to do. Want to connect. Going to collect, go over to the right, collect, and go over to the right, collect, go over to the left. Okay, so let's get started with that. I think that for the vents, I can keep this top view. All right, now here's the vent. Cast iron sanitary. I think I'm going to change that name. Cast iron, and those are in the pipes, right? Yes. Pipe types. There's the pipes. Yeah, pipes. Pipe type. Change that to PVC. 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 Oops. Rename. Home. Cap PVC. Okay. We got it. Okay. Go back to the properties. PVC vent. Because the waste and the vent is going to use this type. So PVC. And then I can go into the system type. Pipe type, system type, right? Then you go here at 11. 135, that's good. Here and here. And I think that I'm gonna make this a 2-inch. Okay. So these guys should come up easy, fairly easy. Now change 11, 135, extend, oops. Okay. Ooh, let's go up some. PVC. Let's go all the way over. That's good. And let's go up 11. Oh, I know why. Because I need to set that reducing vent. Okay. Now let's come back down. Okay. So I think that the same thing can be said here. Let's do this. Vent type. We are going to change this to T reducing vent. Okay, let's do the other side. Vent. Okay. Draw. PVC, sanitary. Change to 11. Oops. What happened? Something happened. I don't know what happened. 11. 135. Okay. And then 2. Okay. Let's look at this again. If I can push the right button, let's push the button. That makes sense. Everything looks to be okay. And 11. 135. All the way out. Yes. Let's do the same. I think that I can go here and then 11. Yeah, I think that might work. It's this. Eleven, 1, 2. Yeah, okay, no fitting, just a real nice tight fitting in here. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Okay, so, and then we can line, everything's gonna be lined up. We can get these guys the next time. Okay, I think I'm gonna finish here and I will talk to you guys later.